Hold on. I was planning on doing a video where I show you my quick wash day, which was the video before this one, and then I was going to show you like an alternative, what I do if I have some more time, which use the Revair. However, I was in the middle of filming the tutorial and the freaking thing broke. Like the electrical wires were showing, things were sparking, it was getting dangerous. I was so determined though, because you guys know I don't have a lot of time, and I was like, I am filming this video. I tried my hardest to continue filming that video, even when I had the chance of that damn thing sparking and exploding on my hair. I was so scared using this thing. Like legit, I used it until I could not use it anymore. This is actually terrifying. Yeah, the thing is completely broken. Trying to finish this tutorial. I just need to finish it. Oh, I'm terrified. It's like sparking. Don't do this. I know I should not be doing this. Don't do this at home. I don't know what to fucking do. So I was like, damn. All right, I guess this thing is dead. I was like, it's dead, I gotta throw it out. I gotta get the new one. I threw it out. I went online to go get the new Revair, and I saw that there were replacement parts for the old Revair, which I could have just bought a new hose for like $100. Do your research before you throw things out. That's all I'm saying. So if you have the old school Revair reverse blow dryer and the hose breaks or any other parts on it break, you can buy replacement parts. I just saved you $400. I didn't know that. I threw the whole thing out. That sucks. But I am still excited because I did want the new Revair. I wanted to try it out just for my own knowledge, and also because it's a smaller tool and I like to bring it with me if I have to do hair, if I'm doing my own hair for an event, or if I'm doing somebody else's. The size of it was always like a deterrent for that. So I was really excited to hear that they came out with a smaller one. But of course I was like, I'm not gonna buy it because I have another one. So now that this one broke, I had the chance to buy it, even though I didn't have to. But this is serendipitous though, because now I can do a review for you guys. I wonder if there's any other changes besides just the size of it, but we're gonna find out today. Cute! I didn't plan that at all. That was like perfect. Okay, so here is everything that comes in the box. I am so excited. By the way, I was not sent this Revair. I purchased this with my own money. For those of you guys who are always asking, Whitney, do you think the Revair is actually worth it? Yes. I use it a lot. I'm going to show you how I use it in this video, but let's take a look-see. Hold on, let me, I want to do this on TikTok too, so let me set that up. Give me a second. Oh, stupid millions of platforms and shit. Ugh. I can't with all these social networks, okay? I just can't. I bought the whole kit because I really wanted the bag that it comes with. If you guys are buying a Revair, I really suggest that you get the bag. It just makes traveling with it and storing it so much easier, especially when this thing was humongous. This bag is actually a lot smaller than the last one because the tool is smaller, so this is gonna make storing it even easier. This is I'm so excited! Unboxing! All right, oh, is it? Yeah, this is tiny. This bag is so much smaller. Oh, this is a cute little pocket inside too for all the tools. Awesome. Yeah, so if you have the other Revair, you can see the difference in size of just this bag alone. Don't mind my finger. That's where I closed my finger in my door. My nail is essentially falling off and growing back in. It's disgusting. So the tools that come in the full kit, some clips, mesh bag. What the hell is this? Oh, it's like a hair towel. A filter, a nice little wide tooth comb, a foam liner insert. I'm not actually sure where that goes. And then a little water bottle. OMG, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so beautiful. Oh, it's me. It's me, I'm beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this is the actual Revair. Cute, this is so cute. The package, there's so much pack. Oh my god, it's so small. You guys, I cannot believe how small they got this. If you have the original one, look how small this thing is. That's crazy. It's like a little clutch purse. You guys, wow, Revair, you did that. So the nozzle is still looking like a penis. Nothing has changed there. It's still the same penis shape and size. Well, I don't know about size, but we're not gonna go there. And then of course the hose here. The hose and the penis nozzle are all the same size. I like how it comes in like this little mesh thing here to protect it. That's really cute. It's like a little stocking cap. You guys, man, this is tiny. It's so tiny. I am literally so excited, guys. I hated traveling with that thing. This is amazing. Wow. I am so impressed by how small they got this. I'm happy I got it. Cool, guys. It fits nicely in the bag. If you have the original, you know how big the bag was. Look how small the bag is now. Oh my god! Oh man, that's dope. Oh wow, cool. On the side it's digital now. We've got like a digital screen now to change the settings. That's really cool. Before it was like a manual dial. Let's see what if there's any differences in the hose. Okay. I feel very never mind. There's nothing different about the hose, but they did give us little hair ties with it, which is nice. The plastic is attached with hair ties. I like that little detail. It's the details for me, which I really appreciate. And just being a business owner myself, I know how much thought has to go into that type of detail. Oh, nice. And then also the cord on the Revair has another hair tie, so you get a total of 3 hair ties as well in the packaging. Cute! That's normal. Latched it into place, and there it is. Oh, there we go. Okay, and there's a wand rest now. So before you used to have to like just toggle this thing around and throw it in a bag, but now there is a wand rest, so that's cool. I don't think I have a wand rest. Device includes a detachable wand rest. Where? Am I so dumb? There it is. It's in the box. It's in the box. Okay, sorry. It's in the box. It's right here. My bad. Okay. Detachable wand rest. Cute. There we go. Oh, I like that. And then you can just kind of have it sit like that. Nice. Dope. I'm so excited. All right, let's use this bad boy. So before I showed you how I washed my hair and let my twists air dry and then take them out the next day just as like a twist and go look. Kind of looks like a wash and go. I'm gonna show you today what I do if I want to stretch my hair. If I have time, you can kind of get a stretched curl look instead of a fluffy wash and go look with the twist out. I'm not gonna go through the whole process. Obviously you saw it in the other video. I shampoo, conditioned, I deep conditioned actually today. Keep my hair in twists in order to keep my hair nice and organized. This is where I would transfer to a satin wrap and go to sleep. Instead, I'm going to use my Revair reverse blow dryer to just dry my twists and stretch my hair. You can also do this look without a Revair, just using a regular blow dryer if you want, manually. I like the Revair because this is a lot of work. Turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on first. I love the digital screen. That is dope. I don't want too much tension. Hold on. Right off the bat, like this engine feels so much more smooth. It's a smooth sounding engine. They upgraded this bad boy. So I'm gonna put this on 2, do this on the high level. So it's going to be high heat, but low suction. Okay, so let's go. This handle is smaller than the other one and it's so much lighter. This area, they definitely made it smaller to grip. It feels much more comfortable and it dried my twist faster too. Wow. I literally just got out the shower. A lot of times I'll sleep on my twists and maybe they'll be like a little bit wet in the morning to make this process faster. But usually I know that when I'm getting out of the shower and doing this, it's gonna take a little bit longer because my hair is like drenched, soaking wet, and just dried my twists really fast. Unbelievable. The quality of this new Revair is bomb. All right, now that I did like a superficial drying of the twist, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna separate each side, and then I'm just gonna dry each side separately. I don't want to totally get rid of my curl pattern, so putting it on low tension is just gonna stretch it a little bit, but not get rid of all the texture. I feel like this Revair actually has more tension than the old one, so I'm actually gonna bring this down to 1.
Can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.
You can just keep the thing still. The only reason I'm kind of going up and down is because it's really hot and I don't want it too close to my scalp. So look at that. I love this. I love my Revair. look what it does. How fast was that? Literally like 5 minutes. When I want to get closer to my roots, I'm just turning it to low because this one is really hot.
I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything.
How much the hair stretch.
But you put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me.
Alright guys, and that's it. This is the look. You get texture, length, volume, body, movement. I mean, it took me probably 45 minutes right now, but that's because I'm filming and stopping and reviewing and yada yada yada. Literally can take you like half an hour. We love options, especially when we're busy naturals and there's just not a lot of time, and these are my two favorite. These are just like quick hairstyles. They look like different types of wash and goes. They look so effortless. So let's talk about the new Revair. Is it any different? Is it worth it? Okay, if you already have a Revair, keep it. Keep it, keep it, keep it. And if you don't mind the size of it, if it's still working fine and maybe a hose breaks, just go buy a new hose, just buy replacement parts. It'll save you money. However, if you would prefer a smaller tool, if you want to upgrade your Revair, if you're somebody who is looking to try the Revair for the first time, first of all, the original was super amazing, but they did such a good job with the new update. It's the size of a clutch. It's so small. Now it's lightweight. Well, it's still a little bit heavy because it's got an engine in there, but it's more lightweight than the original one. If you're a hairstylist and you're on the go, this could fit in your trunk. Like, that's crazy. The other one was humongous. I love that it has a new digital screen. It just feels more techy. It feels more high-tech, high-end. They did a great job making the head attachment lighter, more comfortable in your hand. It's not as heavy. They definitely upgraded the motor because it just sounds smoother, like it purrs now. Whereas before it was so loud by your ear, it was almost like you had to plug your ear when you used it. Now it's not that loud anymore. The heat is definitely hotter, so you have to be careful with that. But I also think that they upgraded how the heat is distributed through the hose, because before, if you had longer hair, you could only kind of do like half of your hair at one time. It would only kind of like dry up to this level right here, and then you had to like kind of bring it down to get the rest, all the different pieces of the hair. But now I felt like it dried the hair all the way down, so I don't know if they went in and they fixed that. And yeah, I think that the upgrade was great. This little handle thing is really cool. So my verdict is that yes, the upgrade is amazing. Should you get it if you don't already have one? Yes. I thought you should have got the original anyway. If you don't have one, definitely get the new one. And if you already have the old one, I still think the new one is a good buy. However, we're not about wasting money in this economy. Wait until your old one dies out. Don't be like me and just throw the whole thing away. You can buy new replacement parts. But if you're somebody who has like unlimited income and you see the benefit of having a smaller unit to carry around, or you just want a new one, you're not going to be disappointed when you buy this new one. It's a great upgrade. It just feels a lot more sleek and more high-tech, just more like travelable and storable. If you're wondering if it's worth it, it is. It's very good. Both machines are worth it, the old and the new. Hope you enjoyed my new Revair review. I hope that you enjoyed this look. Love when I do my hair like this. I will see you in the next one.